There's more than one way to get a slim and toned physique. Choosing the right workout helps, but if your nutrition is not on point, you'll never get to burn that stubborn belly fat. It's true that you can't outrun a bad diet, and that's why focusing on the right nutrition is essential to losing weight. In this video, we'll talk about the 13 best dietary changes to help you slim down. Implementing even a few of these tips can transform your body and improve your fitness. Number 1. Eat more protein. Increasing your protein consumption helps you lose weight and get a ton of extra benefits. For example, eating more protein helps you feel fuller after a meal. That means that you can beat hunger while consuming less calories. That's an amazing shortcut to losing weight. Protein also helps you build muscle instead of storing fat. That means that a high-protein diet helps you burn fat while protecting your muscle mass. Make sure you go for healthy protein options, such as lean meats, fish, legumes, and dairy. Number 2. Stop eating low-fat foods. We've all been conditioned to believe that low-fat foods are healthy, but often you're much better off avoiding them altogether. Why? It has to do with the way low-fat foods are produced. In order to make them taste good, manufacturers often have to add a ton of sugar and other unhealthy ingredients. And there's more. There is no reason for you to avoid fat. It may sound backwards, but fat doesn't make you fat. Weight gain is caused by overeating and consuming an excessive amount of calories. Fat itself has nothing to do with it. Besides, you need fat because it's an essential macronutrient. In fact, it's responsible for the production of hormones that help your body function properly. That's why low-fat diets are not always optimal for your health. Number 3. Eat eggs for breakfast. Eggs are full of protein, vitamins, and many other nutrients you need to lead a healthy life. They are also a great food to consume if you are trying to lose weight. In fact, a 2016 study found that eating eggs for breakfast helps you feel less hungry throughout the day. And we all know slimming down is much easier when your stomach feels full. Number 4. Drink black coffee. Enjoying a cup of coffee is a great way to start your day, and it can be very healthy too. Caffeine is a natural fat burner, and that's why it's included in most fat-burning supplements on the market. Many studies have shown that caffeine increases your metabolism and melts the extra fat. And you don't even need to spend money on supplements. A cup of coffee helps you reap those benefits. There's a catch though. If you sweeten your coffee with sugar, syrup, or cream, you add a lot of extra calories. Doing that can set you back and make weight loss slower. So when you're having your morning cup of joe, drink it black and you'll speed up your fat burning. Number 5. Eat your fruit, but don't drink it. Fruit is fantastic for you. It's full of vitamins and other amazing nutrients, especially fiber. Fiber is often considered a natural hunger suppressant, and it helps you feel full for longer. Eating more fruit on a diet can help you lose weight without constantly feeling like you are starving. But what if you take the shortcut and drink some fruit juice? Well, it's not that simple. Fruit juice contains less fiber and it can be full of sugar. Not great if you're trying to lose weight. So go for fresh fruit instead. Number 6. Hit the supermarket with a shopping list. If you're not careful, a simple trip to the supermarket can get you off track. It's so tempting to buy foods you don't need, and those extra calories will prevent you from losing weight. That's why you need to start shopping like a pro. That's right. Get in, get only what you want, and get out. It's a simple and efficient way of doing things. Take a few extra minutes before you hit the store. Write down what you need and make sure you stick to your plan. You'll get the body you dream of, and your wallet will thank you too. Number 7. Cook in the comfort of your home. We all love going out to eat, but doing it too many times could be the reason why you can't lose weight. It's not your fault. Restaurants often use unhealthy and fatty ingredients when cooking their dishes, which also come in very large portions. Because of that, you end up eating way more calories than you would at home. Studies on home cooking and dietary habits have shown that eating at home is linked with lower risk of obesity. Why does that happen? Because you get to pick and choose the ingredients you use to cook your meals. You can also eat appropriately sized portions so you can cut a lot of extra calories you don't need. And you'll also save a ton of money. Number 8. Be careful with salad dressing. Salads are great for your health and weight loss. Pouring salad dressing on top of your salad, not so much. In fact, salad dressing is usually very high in calories, especially when you use a lot of it. But don't panic, you don't need to give up flavor when eating your greens. You just need to consider healthier ways to dress your salad, like Italian style with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. You can also use less salad dressing so you limit your calorie consumption. Number 9. Bake and roast. There are different ways to cook your food, and they are not all equal. For example, deep frying will add a ton of extra calories to your meal, so you'll have a hard time staying healthy and losing weight. Instead, baking, roasting, and slow cooking are awesome ways to cook your foods. They can make your meals taste delicious, and they can also help you lose weight. You don't need to totally ban your favorite deep fried foods from your diet, but choosing baked and roasted dishes more often will help you go down the healthy route and melt the extra fat. Number 10. Serve food on smaller plates. Many studies have shown that serving food on smaller plates can help you eat less, feel less hungry, and lose more weight. It may sound weird, but it's been confirmed by many researchers. The reason why this unusual strategy works has to do with your psychology. A small food portion looks bigger on a smaller plate. In contrast, a large food portion looks smaller on a bigger plate. It's counterintuitive, but it works. By choosing a smaller plate, you're basically tricking your brain into thinking you're eating more than you really are. You'll feel full sooner, eat less, and lose more weight. Number 11. Shop around for better restaurants. We know you won't cook every single day of your life, and you don't need to. When choosing to go out, you can look for healthier choices to help you stay on track. Eating at your favorite fast food joint all the time may be out of the question, but other restaurants may offer healthy options to help you achieve your weight loss goals. And if you do some research, you may even find that some healthier restaurants are cheaper than fast food places. Shop around, and soon you'll find your new favorite spot around the neighborhood. Number 12. Sleep more and better. Sleep is fundamental for almost anything you can think of, including weight loss. In fact, people who sleep less tend to weigh more. There's a reason for that. When you have a good night's sleep, you produce more leptin, a hormone that helps you feel fuller when you eat. In contrast, when you sleep too little, you produce more ghrelin, a hormone that makes you feel hungrier. Sleep quality also affects athletic performance, glucose metabolism, and the immune system. If you're working out and feeling burnt out, you may need to sleep some more. Number 13. Eat slowly and mindfully. Slow and steady wins the weight loss race. That's right, slowing down your meals can help you melt that stubborn belly fat. It may sound too good to be true, but many scientific studies have shown that people who chew their food slower feel fuller sooner. That's because slow eating gives your brain a chance to catch up with your stomach and register the feeling of satiety. Eating slowly and mindfully is one of the best ways to stop feeling hungry all the time. And there's more. If you want to learn about 16 other tips to stop feeling hungry, click here to watch this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content on health and fitness. See you in the next video.